Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So it's that time of the year when Samsung announces their new releases and it's really exciting times for us all. So we went and checked out all their devices and here's our hands-on with the Z Flip5.
So this is the Flip 5.
This one straight away looks better than the previous Flip.
Yeah. Well, the screen is really big. But there's quite a few things you can do on that one. So you got
notifications.
So you've got all the widgets here. Yeah. So you got notifications. You got your calendar. It's quite nice. I like that.
Yeah.
The weather. These are all your contacts. So you got more of those actually now with pictures. Alarm. You got stopwatch.
So you got digital and analog.
Yeah. You got time. You got timer. So same thing as well. You got digital and analog. You can view how you want it. And then you got your health information. How many steps you took. All that stuff. So in terms of that, it's quite nice actually. You got double cameras here, and you got flash. It's also gapless, which is the new hinge and the new teardrop water.
Actually, the Flip looks better with no gap almost.
Yeah, yes.
Doesn't it?
It's got the new teardrop folding screen design. So in terms of the crease, you can see it's quite visible there, look. And you can feel it as well. Actually feel it. Can have a.
Yeah. It's almost like the Fold 4 kind of size.
It's quite visible, quite obvious.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's got. I mean, if you like a candy bar phone, but half of the size, then this is great.
Perfect for a second phone to just put it in your pocket and go somewhere.
And it's got is flex mode. You can leave it sitting, taking photos and whatever. So yeah, I can't put it down, but I can this way. Yeah. In terms of hardware wise, it feels good in the hand. Very solid. And the color, I think they have. This is got sort of
like a beige.
Yeah, but a glass, sort of glass back, not frosted. It's quite shiny.
Glass fill.
Yeah, it's got a glass fill. It's a glass. Whereas on the Fold 4, it was like frosted.
So this is like a shiny feel, whereas the Fold had kind of like a matte, frosty look.
Yeah. But I think obviously the biggest change here is the main screen really. Because this screen, you could do so much now on the screen. Sorry guys, I had to mute the original audio here due to copyright issues. So we were just discussing how beautiful the Z Flip is. It felt really good to hold, perfect to just put it in your pocket and go out without a bag. When the Flip 5 is open, it stands tall at 165.1 mm by 71.9 mm. The thickness is 6.9 mm. It weighs 187 gram with aluminium frame, IPX8 water resistant. That's 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. So on the hinge, we've got the Samsung logo. And I feel that the new hinge technology and the way the Flip closes, there is literally minimal gap and it looks perfect actually, to be honest. And on the sides, we have the antenna bands followed by the SIM slot. At the bottom, there's microphones, more antenna bands, charging port and speaker grills. Also, when you open up the phone, there's speaker grills on top. So it's going to have stereo speakers. The power button is on the other side, which also does the fingerprint, followed by the volume rocker. The hinge felt really sturdy to open and close, and as you can see, while we were trying to open and close, we actually stopped in between several times, and as we stopped, it didn't actually close. It stayed at the position we stopped, and then as we went right close to closing, it closed, but almost like a soft touch.
So they've got the options of the earbuds here, the different colors. So the Flip comes in the original lilac color, the famous lilac, which still is very popular. Looks nice. And they come with the case, which is really nice. Actually, the case feels really nice. It's almost like you got that kind of like a smooth, silky feel to it. And then you've got the hard case with the magnet here. Looks nice. So you have another Flip here. What color is that? That's like a chrome. Is it grey kind of?
It's kind of dark. Yeah, it's kind of grey.
Chromy grey kind of color. Looks nice.
Yeah, but very glossy. And fingerprints are all over the place, so it's a fingerprint magnet already.
Yes, definitely.
So the Z Flip5 is a beautiful phone. It's really nice and comfortable to hold in the hand. It's small enough to fit really in any pockets. If you like small phones, it's perfect for you. For me, it will be a perfect second phone. This Flip 5 is a huge improvement from last year's Flip, largely due to the upgraded new huge outer screen, which can run any apps on the front screen. It also folds completely flat, which is very pleasing to the eye. It does have stiff competition though with the Motorola Razr Plus. I must mention there are some amazing exclusive online colors if you order from Samsung.com, including grey, blue, green and yellow. In-store options are green, lavender, graphite and mint. So there are plenty of choices in terms of colors to suit everybody's taste. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Are you planning to upgrade? So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the video useful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.